Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Lately. Effective today, flour prices went up, and consumers and stakeholders are responding to the price adjustment, which is the second one since the start of the year. Flour prices went up by 8 to 11% today. This uptick follows a 14% increase on counter flour in February. Chief Operating Officer at Honeybun, Daniel Trong, says the company is surprised by this price increase. He admitted that producers will have to pass on some of the increase to consumers, but he noted that there's a larger issue which must be addressed.
It leads to think about food security and what would happen if prices continue to increase like this. It could be a serious problem. I don't know if, I don't think persons' salaries are increasing at the same rate as some of these price increases. So, if it continues like this, I'm really hoping it doesn't. But if it continues like this, I'm very concerned about, standard of living and affordability of basic products.
President of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, Lenworth Fulton, is urging producers to invest in local alternatives to wheat.
Jamaica currently uses cassava flour along with wheat flour in the baking industry. And this must be encouraged, along with the establishment of breadfruit orchard, etc., to make breadfruit flour.
In the meantime, consumers argue that this is the worst time for a price increase on flour.
As the cheapest thing, people check on flour and rice. And when them things they raise up, it affect poor people badly.
And more to that roll it more.
Why you say that?
Yes, because everything them say, they start blaming gas prices and all that. Look out the taxes here next.
This would be the worst time to put an increase on flour. Something as basic as flour is something that people use constantly, daily.
And I'm just me alone to have it, because my teeth they can't eat flour right now, but you know I can't have it the whole country.
So then I've been trying to raise it today. Cut it back down till the disease gone, then now we can have a different thing talk for enough people are going to suffer.
The Jamaica Flour Mills says the cost of its main raw material has been affected by global increases in the price of oil. In addition, the company says grain prices have seen unprecedented increases. JF Mills noted that wheat, which is used to produce all categories of flour, bakery mixes, and wheat byproducts, jumped by 28%. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $151.53. The Canadian dollar is going for $127.25. The pound closed at $213.49, while the euro is being sold for $187.88. On the stock market, the JSE index lost 4,869 points today, while the junior market index gained 20 points. Among the winners were Epley 7.5%, Sagicor Select Funds, Manufacturing and Distribution, CAC 2000, Blue Power Group, and Key Insurance. Now on the losing side were 138 Student Living, Stationery and Office Supplies, Caribbean Cream, Guardian Holdings Limited, and Salada Foods. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Lately. Good evening.